IKEA Björksnäs IKEA. The IKEA Björksnäs collection is a series of Scandinavian-style furniture known for its minimalist design, clean lines, and natural materials. The collection often features light-colored birch wood, which gives it a warm, natural aesthetic that blends well with modern, minimalist, and traditional interiors. Key characteristics of the Björksnäs collection include natural birch wood. The furniture is crafted primarily from birch, a light-colored hardwood that is durable and environmentally friendly. Minimalist design. The design is simple yet elegant, focusing on functionality and clean lines without excessive decoration. Craftsmanship. Many items in the Björksnäs series highlight craftsmanship with visible wooden joints and natural textures. Neutral colors. The collection often combines light wood with neutral colors like white, gray, or beige, making it versatile and easy to pair with various interior design styles. The Björksnäs collection includes a range of furniture pieces such as beds, dressers, nightstands, and benches, offering a cohesive look for bedrooms and living spaces. It emphasizes simplicity and practicality, typical of Scandinavian design.